Okay, and I'm going to record this video now. All right, we know they're going to be x's. We literally just need to figure out what numbers to put here. Okay, so does anybody think, I mean, well, obviously we just did it, but what are our numbers here? So go back to that last example and just look at what our factors were to begin with. 3 and 4. 3 and 4, good. Okay, so we put a plus 3 here, and it doesn't matter what order. You know what I mean? If you want to do it that way, you could. But if you want to do it this way, it's the same thing. Remember, if you think about it, 4 times 3 and 3 times 4, they're both the same. So the order doesn't really matter. But why, I want to get, what I'm trying to figure out now is like, why did those numbers work? What is special about 4 and 3? And how do the 4 and 3 relate to this equation? Like, how do we know? Like, how do the 4 and 3 relate to the middle number? Oh my goodness. Okay, so everybody read what Alex and Lena just put. I'm sure other people were thinking it too. Okay, but it's really just the same thing. The numbers have to add up to the one in the middle, but they also have to multiply to the one at the end. Okay, exactly what you guys are saying. So we're going to do another one now, okay? See how you guys can do. See how you guys do on this one. Okay, so I'll tell you when to put the answers in. Don't put the answers in yet, okay? But if we wanted to go backwards here, okay, and factor this thing, find the factors of it. Okay, I know it's going to be x plus and x plus. Okay, so good. Thank you guys for not putting the answers yet. I just want to give everyone a chance to think about it. Okay, that's one thing I don't do a lot of in class. I get so excited. People start answering. I'm like, oh, yeah. So, again, we want the numbers, whatever's going to go in here, we want them to add up to what? What do they need to add up to? Beautiful. They need to add, whoa, that's not add. They need to add to 5, and they need to multiply to 6, right? Good, perfect. So now think about this, okay? So think about two numbers, okay, that add up to 5 and also multiply to 6. What do you guys think about what Alex said? Do you think that would work if we put a 3 and a 2 in here? Is 3 plus 2 going to give us 5? Definitely. Can add 2 and 3 and multiply 2 and 3. Bingo. Jackpot. Nice work, everybody. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is 5, and then 3 times 2 is 6. So we're done. It works. So do you guys see how we're kind of like, now we're going backwards through what we did? So it's really like the same steps, we're just kind of doing them backwards. I mean, I don't know how else to explain it.